Hey guys, so here's another one of the really cool things you can learn how to code on code.org. So if you scroll down to students and you go down to App Lab, you just put in your name or your age, sorry, not your name. Press OK. And you can watch the video on how to get started, but I've already seen it, so you guys can watch it if you want. So then you're going to come in to the App Lab. So the instructions can be read to you if need be. So it's a lot like the other one, except for this one has more words than just the blocks. So it says make the green, that our goal is to make the screen green. So we're going to drag this set property right here to our workspace. And so it says we need to set the background color to green. So we have our screen 1. See its background color, and then we're going to change it to green. And you'll press run, and your screen is green. So another really great thing about this website is it'll show you right here like what the end product's supposed to look like. So this matches that, so you're good to go. So press finish. And it's also wants to make sure you're doing it right, so you'll just press continue since your stuff matches. Okay, so the next one is make the text bigger and blue. So you want it to look like this. So it says we're going to need 2 lines of code. So we're going to pull this out. It says label 1, font size. So we'll have to scroll down, find font size. You want it to 80. So we'll change it to 80, just type it in. And then you'll click another one, and it'll set it to that. Then you want text color, and you're going to change it to blue. Okay. Then you'll run it. And it did it. It matches this to this. And if you get stuck, another great thing is it'll help you if you are stuck. So you'll just click here, and it'll give you the instructions on what to do next when you are stuck.